Welcome to Geppetto, the browser-based board design tool perfect for designing edge computing devices and IoT gateways. Today we're going to clone and customize a Gumsticks design in order to create a smart security camera powered by the Raspberry Pi Compute module. Our design is based around the Raspberry Pi Compute module, and we're going to be relying on the USB Ethernet module for networking. So the obvious choice to clone here is the Gumsticks Pi Compute USB Ethernet board. Now, there's a few components on the original design that we're not concerned with, so we're just going to go ahead and delete them. Some components, though, we'd like to keep, so we're going to rearrange them to make space for the camera. Notice how I've arranged the bow connector and the USB Ethernet module so that the cables both come neatly out the right-hand side of the device. Now that we've made a wee bit more space, let's search for a camera. Simply drag and drop the 5 megapixel camera module onto the space you've created on your board. You'll notice Geppetto is giving a red error. That's because there's not enough power to run this camera module, yet. Simply click on the red text and Geppetto will show you the missing component. Then drag and drop that component onto the board and connect it to the camera. Next, you'll need to finish connecting the camera to each of its power and computing connectors until the whole board is green and ready to go. Notice how Geppetto always prompts what you have to connect next, so you'll never be left in the dark. Next, you'll need to save your design and decide whether or not you'd like to share it with the community. Make sure to give your design a name and a description to give others inspiration. Once saved, you'll be able to see a 3D preview of your board design right in the browser. Make sure to save a thumbnail of your board layout for a preview in your dashboard. Once your board layout is saved, you're able to compile and download all the CAD files related to your design. We are excited to see how you and the community at large continue to innovate with Geppetto. Thanks for watching!